that did not pay the woman the money in the group. Change you see Nigerians that did not pay the woman the money in the group. Now let me now tell you where it's bad. This woman now, nobody say she dey hide for UK. Then they see the woman koro, but they no fit do anything because then buying COS is illegal. And the woman knows it's illegal. So these people now no fit go report to police. See where the whole wahala dey.
Kenem Igbo ndị ọma na-ege m ntị ebe ọ bụ unu nenene biko na achọrọ m ka m kwue ihe regarding video Verydarkman mee. Ọ sị finally ya na Okwuluora afugo. Mana one thing nji wee chọọ ikwu okwu na this video is that na Verydarkman owe Igbo community an apology. Because onye ọ na-achọ ịtakụrụ bụ nwa Igbo. Onye na-achọ ịtakụrụ bụ nwa Igbo ji eme ọnụ. He said a lot of things regarding that ihe COS. Na otu onye nga otu Okwuluora ogosi nkwani ụwa niile na Okwuluora enwere connection ogosi nke a gosi nke ọzọ. I don't know if the ka isi ekwu okwu because na ijegoje mee your investigation. After that upon ego niile iwe isi wede petition. And so much tango na Okwuluora bụ gịnị onye kwụbali aka ya ọtọ. Shame on ndị na-enye information. Kita unu ya anụ ya eji ntụnụ n'ụlọ ihe niile na-eme. All these things anyị na-ekwu na video bụ nke bụ eziokwu. Unu si n'azụ unu elichi ego wee bịa sikwa n'azụ na sabotage ha na-eme. I don't know, na-apụtakwa na publicly na-anụso Okwuluora ọgụ knowing fully well n'ihe unu mee bụ gịnị illegal something. Nukwanya openly, that transaction never happened in that group. For ndị na-akpọ Okwuluora onye oshi, for ndị na-asịkwa nka, ma ndị na-support Verydarkman mgbe ọ pụtakwa okwu. Unu ya ege video nke unu nụ mgbe ọ sịkwa na gịnị mee. Na the transaction did not happen in that group. Na the only offense Okwuluora committee was na ndị mmadụ na-akpali onwe fa na-etrete n'onwe ha. In the sense na ihe unu ji eje mee outside the group. Unu bịakwara ndị bịa na-anụ ọgụ n'ime group. Okwuluora ji wee sị oke ebe ọ dị like that jee na ebe unu ji eme business jee na jeje setụrụ. Anyị ekwugiri ha na video. Kwuo ya mbụ, kwuo ya ịbụ, kwuo ya mgbizizi, kwuo ya ịbụ, kwuo ya ịtọ. Si ya etu na achọrọ ige Verydarkman etigo ọnụ n'okwu a nke bụ eziokwu ya pụta situ Okwuluora nga Verydarkman for the people. Unu anụgoni anụ Verydarkman na Okwuluora jeje ma itie ha kpaa nke bụ eziokwu wee na-apụta wee na-agwakwa unu wee na-asị unu na gịnị mee na ndị anụnwa na-enye false information ka e wee detain Okwuluora ka e wee humiliate Okwuluora ihe na-emegbuchakwa unu niile ndị otu choko Bobble na ndị enyi ya nwaanyị. Kita na okwu arise ya na anụnwa unu afụgo na Mary being Madam Flo actually paid some people. She paid some people, which in have these things behind her. You people tend not to believe. Thank God no sigo no onyunu kologo onyunu siko speak here for you people Verydarkman wepota. Mary paid some people that gave her information because na kwadi me arrest one abata Nigeria. Mary went ahead and paid them. Ya kwa the same people unu na asena unu nena na group akwugo m unu. Potanu kuwe no okwu aka ya malu mmadu no na that group onye bụla na-agba ọsọ. Na-agba ọsọ Mary lili ego unu kwechiri na agwu unu nwere unu eme unu akpụgali Okwuluora na nwere ihe omelu maka na unu feel unu ya akpụgali nwe ngwa na nezianụ Verydarkman kwunu no ihe okwu ka ọ dị na mgbe ọzọ ndị Igbo anyị.
Alright, so in respect to the whole COS matter, if you remember, I filed a petition against Okwuluora, the owner of the group where those victims were scammed. So I filed a petition because the victims complained to me that they were scammed £128,000 in a WhatsApp group that Okwuluora created. And when they started complaining, he started deleting their messages to a point. Then he deleted the WhatsApp group. Pata. Now, Okwuluora came in for questioning day before yesterday. We went through thorough investigation and thorough questioning. And at the end of the day, the police got what they needed to get. So at the end of the day, me and Okwuluora met. As you can see, that's a video of me and Okwuluora. This was taken yesterday night. And we met, you understand. To be very honest, after talking to him, his biggest mistake was to delete the group. However, he said the reason why he deleted the group is that insults were flying and threats were flying. Now, the funny thing is this, right? Okwuluora, and I found out, Okwuluora showed me a petition, you understand, that he submitted to the DSS in respect of this case. You understand? And that's when I found out that Nigerians, most of you, selfishness and greed, na be a problem. You understand? Something happened to a group of people. It's the moon and walk hand in hand. Some people, they go back. go dey spoil case. Okwuluora say in here say the woman wey collect all this money, he heard that the woman was coming to Nigeria. He quickly went to go and meet DSS, that DSS, so they are accusing me that I'm the one that scammed them. It's not me. The woman that scammed them is coming to Nigeria this December. You people should pick her, you understand, so that she can pay people their money. He now went to the group and told some of them that, see, this woman is coming to Nigeria, you will get your money soon. They will pick her up by DSS. Only for the people that he told to go back and go and tell this woman again that we want to tell you something. You give us our own money, then we'll tell you what Okwuluora is planning for you. That was how some of them went back to go and tell this woman that scammed all of them, who that went back to go and tell the woman the plan. The woman did not come to Nigeria again. She now paid those other people that came to leak the secret to them. You understand? Continuously, Okwuluora said he has tried his best. Me, now only the petition I see. You understand? I saw the DSS petition that he went to go and submit. Okwuluora said he has tried different techniques, but other people goes back to go and tell the woman. Do you understand? That means a lot of them have been sabotaging this whole thing. Now, to cut the long story short, you understand, Okwuluora said he will do anything to prove his innocence. That even if it means that he will sell all his properties to prove that he's innocent, that him is innocent, that he does not know anything about it. And then he made me understand that even the business that they are talking about, say, that they did not do it in the group. Those people carried themselves and went to the woman's house. This woman will scam them now. They waka go the woman's house for where she dey stay for London. Plenty of them go there, go help the woman cook, wash plates, do this and this one. That was where they paid the woman the money. But they did not pay the woman the money in the group. Change you see. You see Nigerians that did not pay the woman the money in the group. Now let me now tell you where it's bad. This woman now, nobody say she dey hide for UK. Then they see the woman koro, but they no fit do anything because then buying COS is illegal. And the woman knows say it's illegal. So these people now no fit go report to police. See where the whole wahala dey. You understand? So Okwuluora on different occasions, he has shown charts where he begged this woman, say, madam, you dey spoil my name. Pay these people this money. Everybody think we are working hand in hand. You understand? So I will say, for my own conclusion, I will say Okwuluora's biggest mistake was deleting the group. If I just leave all the old charts, you understand, make it present to police, say, make it present on the last day, say, see the charts, everything, my hand no day. You understand? But I guess him being the kind of person he is, he does not want to wahala. He said they were threatening themselves. Now why he say, I beg, make I delete this group before somebody go attack person for Suzo place. Now, at the end of the day, myself, Okwuluora, and the security operative are working together. You understand? So we'll try to get the money back, for the COS money back to the victims. Also, I want to give a special shout out to the NCCC department of the Nigerian Police, the Cybercrime Department, for always assisting me when I bring a case to them, always helping me to fight. And the FCID Area 10, those one at my house. Shout out to you guys. Thank you very much. And don't play. So, Madam Flu, return their money before this thing go bad past like this. You understand? Just pay all these people their money, because a guy go rich now you go the beg. And by that time, you go don't learn, and you will learn the hard way. You know, VDM don't play. So you better don't play. Else you gonna learn.